So this is my skin after just doing my skincare routine. I am having like a slight breakout. But if you want to see my daytime skincare routine, please continue watching. Thumbs up this video at the end if you like it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. And just keep watching. Oh, yes, I know my face looks crusty, dusty. I need to add some moisture to it and my lips too. But I just washed my face. I think I've mentioned this to you guys in a previous video, but I use my Vanity Planet set to wash my face every day. There's 3 different heads. The darker one is for more exfoliation. This one, the lighter gray one, is more so for everyday use. And then the rubber one is more for sensitive skin. I don't use it at all. I mostly use the everyday one and the exfoliating one. Today I used the exfoliating one. I'm so sorry guys, my lips look so crusty. But on a daily, I tend to use this Peter Thomas Roth Rose Stem Cell Cleanser or Bio Repair Cleansing Gel. I've had this for maybe a year. A little bit. One goes a long way. And I mostly use it in the daytime, but I'll use it at night as well. And this is like the big size, so it's 8.5 fluid ounces. This will last you a long time. But I used that today. I've already washed it off, whatever. Now I'm going to do more. I buy these Equate exfoliating wet cleansing cloths, and I use these every day, every other day. But after I cleanse, I like to go back over my face just in case I missed some dirt or boogers, as you can see, and kind of especially exfoliate my lips, as you can see. Like, I still have dirt on my face. I really like this just because it has those little beads in it, and it can kind of get away that dead skin. Like in the mornings, no matter what, I always rinse with cold water because I want my pores to close, not open. But this is like still like leftover dirt that was on my face. It's not much, but still. I'm done with that, and then I go in with a toner, and I use like cotton rounds. I like cotton rounds better than I like cotton balls. But I just use this. Oh, and this is the clarifying toner. It's comparable to the Clinique one. So yeah, and I mostly do my T-zone area because where my pores are the most prominent. The other toner that I really liked that I stopped using because I ran out is from Neutrogena, like the pore minimizing one. And I also put it on my lips. So again, you can see there's still a little more dirt. That was a horrible accent. I really like using this No Thin Lips Secret Lip Plumper. I don't know what the name of the company is called, but you can get it from Sephora, like $12. Like, it looks like a packaging like this, but it instead of pink, it's red. And I obviously don't need lip plumping, but I just really like the feeling. Plus, if I'm gonna do makeup, it prepares my lips for the lipstick I'm going to put on if I put on one. So next I'm going to put on I've been loving this. It's the Junk Elephant C-Firma Day Serum. Looks like that. And it's pretty much, you know, supposed to firm your skin, brighten dark spots. Yeah, and it I like that it twists up. So I use this every morning, and I don't really do a specific, like I'm not really hitting a full pump because, yeah. Oh, and I'll put it on my neck as well to brighten my neck. And it says if you're going to use this, make sure you wear a sunscreen, and like the ingredients are active for 72 hours. So it's working on your skin for 72 hours, which is good. And I've noticed my dark spots have gotten brighter. Yes, there are new dark spots because I'm really bad at picking my skin. And you want to make sure, I mean, you can rub it like in like this, but make sure, like, I guess when you're done rubbing it in, pat, because you don't want the product to move and shift. So, see, bro, my nose has been tripping. I have a little breakout going on my forehead. But so that, and then I just kind of let that sit before I put my moisturizer on top. And I've been using the MAC Fast Response Eye Cream. I really don't see a difference. So I just bought the Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. And of course it's supposed to firm. What's the next thing? Reduces the look of dark circles, firms, and instantly targets fine lines and wrinkles while improving concealer wear. I really don't have dark circles, but I have fine lines. Like, just this is like a preventative measure. Like, maybe I really don't to some people, but I feel like I have a lot of wrinkles under my eyes, and I just use my, like, this much. Okay, maybe a little more for like my under eye and lid. And I'll make sure I kind of, you see where my eye starts to crease right there? I'll make sure I blend it in right there. And again, you want to pat it because your lid area and under eye area is the most sensitive on your skin because because it's such a thin piece of skin. So you want to make sure you're not tugging too much. And if you do, don't do it so often because you don't want to get crow's feet or whatever else wrinkly lines you get. So I just bought this last week, so I've only used it like 2 or 3 times. And now for my moisturizer, I don't, like, this is literally all I do in the mornings. At night is a little bit more, and I'll do that video later on tonight. But the next thing I'm gonna put on is my SPF / moisturizer. So it's the Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF, and it has an SPF of 30, and it's from Mural. I got the sample size, but I went ahead and bought the bigger size, the 1.7 fluid ounces. It says it brightens and helps shield skin from environmental aggressors. So I just like these two together. And I really like Drunk Elephant. I thought it was overplayed because I was like, $80? Because yeah, that's how much the C-Firma is. And I'd be glad I see a noticeable difference because I would have taken that thing back. But it's actually good for, that's not enough, for $80. Like, when it comes to skincare, I'll splurge because I know skincare is key to pretty much everything, like your makeup routine, and like without good skincare, flawless or close to being flawless canvas, your makeup is not gonna look that great. If you had like a messed up painting canvas and you're trying to paint on it, you'd be able to tell the difference. Like, you kind of got to think about it like that. Your face is a literal canvas, and you got to make sure it is flawless or close to being flawless. And that is literally my morning time routine for right now. I do have a Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate that I'll sometimes use, but and I really like Kiehl's, Drunk Elephant, and Peter Thomas Roth are my most favorite skincare things to go to. And like if you're on a cheaper, budget, Neutrogena. I just love all Neutrogena products. But yeah, that is literally my morning time routine. Simple, huh? So this is my face. I hope this is easy for you guys. Like I said, this is like simplest skincare routine that I've seen. Like I literally only use a cleanser, a serum, and a moisturizer / SPF. 3 things for my skin. And like I said, I have seen it get noticeably better since using the serum. But yeah, on the lookout for a nighttime skincare routine. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like, put any comments, not any comments, be nice, come on now, and suggestions for more videos. On that note, guys, deuces.